With its mesmerizing tropical landscapes, Bali in Indonesia is home to a number of beautiful serene waterfalls. Before cascading down hundreds of meters into a beautiful pool, the waterfalls pass through dense canopy of coconut trees and rice paddy fields. No wonder chasing waterfalls in Bali is one of the most exciting things to do here. Out of the many waterfalls, about 35 kilometers north of Ubud town is a hidden gem tucked away from the glare of tourists and other busy tourist attractions, the Nungnung Waterfall. Hi, it's Sarita and Kamal. Welcome to Bali travel series on our travel channel World Ghoomo. In this video, we are going to share with you all the necessary information you would need to visit this gorgeous waterfall. Hit the red subscribe button and click the bell icon next to it to receive notifications about our future video uploads, and also follow us on our following social media handles. Thanks for subscribing and following. Now let's begin. At a height of 900 meters above sea level, this hidden waterfall is situated in a small village named Nungnung, 37 kilometers north of Ubud, Bali. To get the most out of the trip, it would be best to plan a half-day trip to Nungnung Waterfalls. Visiting the falls in the early hours or after 4 p.m. would be the ideal time. There are two ways to reach Nungnung Waterfall. You can either rent a taxi or take a scooter, whatever is convenient for you. A taxi would take around an hour, while a scooter will take approximately an hour and a half. From our experience, we would highly recommend renting a scooter or a bike for the day, as this allows you to enjoy the beautiful scenic drive that goes through rice terraces and steep mountain roads. There is a car parking area where you can park your vehicle for a very small charge. Hey friends, so we have reached Nungnung Waterfalls. We are at the entrance of the falls, and as you can tell just by looking at the surroundings, the waterfall is located at a very scenic location. And this place is around 1 hour drive from main Ubud city, and we just can't wait to walk down the stairs and reach the waterfalls. Let's go! A further 20 minutes of walk from the entrance is required in order to reach the fall. In spite of being one of the well-known waterfalls in the area, Nungnung Waterfall is never too crowded, and reaching it is a task. To arrive at the foot of the waterfall, one has to descend 509 steep steps and then 509 steps back up, which can be strenuous for some. This could possibly be one of the reasons why this place is not visited by too many tourists. The stairs are in good shape, so it's not dangerous. It can be slippery at some places, so climb down very carefully. Along the way, one can find a couple of benches to take some rest while admiring the scenic beauty all around. You will come across one smaller waterfall on the trail on the way. The walk can be challenging for some, but it is worth it when you arrive down to the bottom of a gorge. The jaw-dropping sight of this huge fall with water plunging 165 feet to a pool below will leave you awestruck. The waterfall is surrounded by forests and cliffs on all the sides. You can take a refreshing dip, however, it is not an ideal waterfall for swimming since the current is very strong and feels like a cold rainstorm with water droplets forming a dense fog. With no locals or guard watching out for the safety of visitors, be careful if you are heading close to the waterfall. It is certainly one of the most powerful and beautiful waterfalls in Bali. Just standing close to the fall will leave you drenched, so don't forget to carry some clothes to change into later. One can easily spend hours watching the waterfall. Just sitting next to it will leave you refreshed. For nature lovers, it's a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Following are a couple of things that you need to keep in mind. There are no washrooms, lockers, or changing rooms at the base of the waterfall, so be sure to keep your belongings safe and dry. There is a washroom near the car parking area where you can change clothes. Taking good pictures from your camera can be a Herculean task. The drizzle from the waterfall will keep your camera and lenses wet and you will struggle to get a perfect click. It's recommended to carry a water-resistant camera. Wear comfortable shoes or sandals that have a nice sole grip and avoid flip-flops while climbing down the steep steps. Don't get too close to the waterfall since the current is very strong. Before heading back, have some coconut water and light snacks available at a small shop near the car parking area. Enjoy the sights and sound of the waterfall and feel the magic of Mother Nature. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Stay tuned for more amazing videos on Bali coming up soon. Give this video a big thumbs up, leave us a comment, share this video with your friends and subscribe our channel, and we will catch you soon in our next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.